Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Caringbah, Sydney. Got a Porsche Cayenne today. I've taken everything apart. I've take the whole intake out, pretty much everything out to actually get the starter motor done. So I've done the starter motor, rebuilt the starter motor. I've taken the starter motor out, rebuilt it myself, and put it back in, new parts, and start it up, and it's all good. So yeah, pretty much. If you look at actually this, I've got to get some strut for this because there's no strut to hold the bonnet up. Pretty much all of this here was removed out to do the job. So all right, now I'm just gonna start it up. Alright, that's sorted. So now we're going to look at the actual power steering leak or something like that underneath the car. So probably tomorrow I'll put up in the air and have a look properly, and then I'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.